Good afternoon. I was born in Asmara, the capital of Eritrea, which is also known as a Little Rome. But today, I'm not here as one of the many foreigners of origin who have been Italian for a long time. I'm here today to emphasize how a universal exposition must and can help strengthen, revitalize, and initiate long-term economic and commercial partnership. There are two key considerations to develop lasting partnership, as we do at Italia Africa Business Week since many years. The first is to know each other, also beyond stereotypes. Throughout our activities, we realized that interconnection were based on mistaken patterns of Italian entrepreneurs towards the African economy and vice versa. The second is that it is indispensable to establish an equal and stable relationship to create value and share value. In fact, in the depth, mutual understanding over long term has allowed Italian and African business realize that the backbone of economy of both parts is made by medium and small size company. You know, the secret of success is very simple. Know each other and create growth and development on both sides of the partnership, of course. In this way, we can contrast and combat the inequality by growing together and developing communities, always placing people at the center. For us, this is what Expo means, including, sharing, and grow together. That's why supporting Expo in Rome means supporting your industries, your business, and not only the largest one, but all of them. And please remember that every business is made up of people, the heart of each enterprise, each community, and each society. So let's meet in Rome in 2030. We are waiting for you to build together a new, fruitful alliance. We are waiting you in Rome. Thank you.
Thank you, Mehret.